Hey everybody, I'm Ryan Schramm, and today I'm here at Las Palmas Elementary School. I'm going to be sitting down with Principal Kristen Nelson. Principal Nelson's going to take us through the campus. She's going to show us what makes the school so special. She's going to tell us about the dual immersion program that they have here, as well as even showing us the students' garden where they're growing their own vegetables. They're cooking up some cauliflower fried rice for lunch right now. I'm really excited for you guys to see this video. I hope you enjoy. Principal Nelson, thank you so much for having us today.
You're welcome.
It's really great to be here. Getting started, what makes Las Palmas Elementary special or unique?
Las Palmas Elementary School is the oldest school in San Clemente. It's in its 90th year.
Wow.
Started out as San Clemente Grammar School and has grown from the most historical school to what I consider one of the most futuristic schools in the education program and in our vision for their future, for kids' futures. We don't believe students are built to sit for 6 straight hours. So in walking our classrooms, you'll see our teachers focusing on active learning strategies. We have a science lab, outdoor learning space, and then of course our bilingual program.
We hear a lot about the bilingual program in town. Tell us more about how that works.
Basically, it's an immersion program. The theory is that it's hard to learn second languages once we're older. So we start in kindergarten and first grade with 80% of their students' days only in Spanish. They don't always understand things right from the beginning, but we have Spanish speakers here that help the English speakers. And then as the program goes, you increase English, and 5th grade comes and they're beautifully bilingual.
So on a typical day here at school, what does it look like to be a student?
Depends on the grade level,
okay.
But so we'll take the middle grade, 2nd, 3rd grade. Starts out in the morning with a lot of reading and writing in both languages. We go into math. You might end up in the STEAM lab doing hands-on science, might end up in the garden learning how to grow organic vegetables. And we also have extensive art and music and PE, and we really believe in the whole child. That they're here to learn all of those things.
How are some ways parents can get involved? PTA or things like that?
Yeah, we have an extremely active PTA. It has probably 6 to 8 meetings a year. Any given day at Las Palmas, there's anywhere from 20 to 80 parents and grandparents and aunts and uncles and cousins working in classrooms, working in the garden, helping. So involvement is kind of an expectation, I would say, once you enroll your child here. And the kids at this age, love their parents and family to be involved. So yeah. You have to take advantage of that time. So it's a family commitment when you come here. And that's how everyone likes it. And the city of San Clemente greatly supports this program. And we have businesses from throughout the city that donate funds to us, that know we're also reaching out to an underserved population in town and working with them. We have Target and Walmart that are constantly donating clothes for those families. So it's a neat place to be, and a nice subsection of San Clemente.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, we really, really appreciate you sharing and having us here today. I know that we hear nothing but great things in the community about what you are doing here. So
Good.
Thank you again.
You're welcome.
And it's been a pleasure.
Thanks for being here.
Absolutely.